YouTube. Today we're going to do a couple things. Play Nerf guns first and then film. So if it's your first time here, I'm Nathaniel, this is Rob. Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you want these cards.
Thank you for that. Hello and welcome back to My First Mustang. If this is your first time, I'm Rob, this is Nathaniel. He's gone now. And this is the show where we try to get his barn find 1966 Mustang that he got for his 5th birthday back on the road. We have a few things for you today. First of all, I just can't take it anymore. I need to know what's in those boxes that we found in the last episode. When we popped the trunk, we found all kinds of CJ Pony Parts boxes, and I can't wait to get into them. So we're gonna go out there and do that in a few minutes.
Yep, after Nerf guns.
No, Nerf guns.
Film Nerf guns. Film Nerf guns.
After that, we are going to try to put some Marvel Mystery Oil into the engine and see if that works, in addition to the ATF fluid. Thank you to everybody on Instagram that suggested that. We'll see if it works. Finally, we're going to decode this Mustang's data plate using a site that was provided by an awesome Instagram follower. Thank you to everybody who follows on Instagram. If you don't follow us on Instagram yet, follow us at our tag and you'll get some more content. And please give us a like and subscribe to this channel. We'll have all kinds of crazy antics going forward.
And we got
Nathaniel, George, are you ready to go out there and open those boxes?
what's that?
No Nerf guns. You want to go open the boxes? Let's go out there.
Ready?
All right. How about this one first?
Okay, we
Let's find out. What are these things? Let's see.
CJ.
Scott Drake fuel sender.
The real me that.
All right. We have a fuel sending unit. Oh, there's all kinds of bolts.
Okay. Can I see?
Gasket.
Whoa. Let's get off
Gas filler hose. What about this big one?
Yes!
You want to open up this big one?
Yes,
This one's heavy.
The huge box. I bet that there's toys in it.
You bet that there's toys in these?
Yes.
Well, they're kind of toy, I guess.
It could be complicated. Now let's get these stuff out of here. Get this stuff out of here. Get out of here. Let's get it.
Oh, these are heavy.
What's this, Dad?
They're brakes. These are brake shoes.
Then what's this? Hey, what's
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
it could open up. That's what I found.
Brake shoes.
Really?
This is awesome. We have an entire set to redo our brakes.
Yep.
I'm not going to complain about that. This is like Christmas.
What? It's not like Christmas, silly.
Yes, it is. It's just like Christmas.
Not presents.
Yes, it is. It's man Christmas. No wonder that was so heavy.
Now we have to get this box. We get to open up this baby. We get to open up this guy. We get to open up this, Dad. Finally, we get to open the heaviest one.
Yes.
Wait, what?
What in the world?
What the? Are you kidding me?
What are these?
There's so many.
Carlson brake parts.
Yep. There's so many of them.
It's a this a complete brake rebuild set?
Daddy, there's a big thing. There's more, Dad. Daddy, there's more.
I have no idea.
Oh, really?
Oh, they're heavy too, huh?
What are they?
Wheel cylinders.
Good thing.
Made in China. We're gonna get coronavirus.
Oh, there's that. There's one more pack. Whoa. Dad, there's one more thing that we have to
It's
discover.
a complete set of wheel cylinders.
Daddy, now we can open up the littlest one, Dad. Daddy, now
Maybe there's 6 of these. Are they all the same thing?
I think. Wait. What the? No, I think they.
Complete set of springs. Nathaniel's already extremely bored with this entire thing. Right, buddy?
Yep.
What, you're not excited by these springs?
Yep, I'm excited.
Oh, yeah? Not acting excited, you're acting distracted. So it's a brake rebuild kit. It is Christmas. It's man Christmas. Oh, this one's light. Must be boring.
It's just paper?
It's paper, that's it.
There's more.
Oh, there's some stuff in here.
Wait, this.
Iridium spark plugs. Well, at least there's 8 of them.
Really big. Ah! Ah! But it's so big. That's a gas tank?
Ta-da!
Wait. Is this a gas
Made in Canada. What the? All right, so actually, I was the one who bought this. It wasn't in the trunk.
You were the one that bought this?
Yes.
What?
It wasn't in the trunk, but I still wanted to open it because I was really excited about it. That's an awesome thing that we have a new gas tank because I did notice that it was a little bit dented up, probably from being in the junkyard and everything. So, and I bet the old one is all full of gunk from sitting for so long. So we'll just swap in a whole new gas tank and have a good fueling system. All right, so another attempt at trying to turn this engine. We might be adding Marvel Mystery Oil this time. Somehow create some magical mixture that's going to actually free this engine up, but I have my doubts. I got nothing. Absolutely not. Frozen solid. ATF everywhere. Now, Marvel Mystery. Pouring out everywhere.
This camera?
Yeah.
Pumping the engine full of Marvel Mystery Oil. Hopefully it makes a difference.
We'll see, guys. Nothing. Well, guys, we'll let this stuff work for, I don't know, a while longer. We'll give it another shot. But I think that we're pulling the engine. Sounds like fun. All right, so we want to We want to decode this Mustang. We know that there's a data plate right by the driver's side door, and we're going to take a look at that, and we're going to use that website that the awesome Instagram follower shared with me. And we're going to see maybe if this Mustang is as original as we suspected. Teddy bear. All right. There's the tag. The tag. 65A, color Y, trim 22, date 21F, DSO 71? I'm so confused. It looks like there's nothing stamped next to axle. Oh wait, maybe the axle is 1 and the trans is 6? Hi. Just in case anybody was doubting my commitment to all of this. Welcome to my office. Nathaniel would be extremely bored by this whole decoding thing, so I'm just going to let him sleep. I'm going to do all this now. Oh, look, it's gone light outside. You know why? Let me show you. Oh, there we go. That was 13 gigabytes of data from one of the cameras. And that's for a really short video. 4K. Alright, so the good news is, well, I cleaned myself up a little bit. I had some coffee, so I'm a little bit more awake. I'm not in such a bad mood. And I copied all the data in. So we can have a little bit of inception here. And I can show you my computer while we jump into this decoding process. Alright, welcome to the inside of my computer. Like I was saying, we had an awesome Instagram follower who pointed me to this website, classicponycars.com. Looks like you can decode a bunch of different model years of the Mustang here. It'll give you the body style code, the exterior paint code. So, to show you guys kind of where I do my work, this is Adobe Premiere Pro, and that is, let's see, that's a pretty clear shot. Yeah, so body 65A. What does body 65A mean? Coupe with standard interior. Yeah, I'd say so. That makes sense. Exterior paint code, color Y. Y. Silver blue. Yeah, I'd say that our Mustang's a silver blue. I knew it looked like really original paint. Trim 22. Trim 22. Blue with blue trim. Makes sense? Date 21F. F is June, so I guess the 21st of June was when it was built. DSO. District code. 71. Los Angeles. Yeah, just as we were thinking. California car. I think that's a 1. I think axle is 1. It's like it's offset a little bit. And trans is 6. Axle 1 must be 3.0 to 1, standard differential. It's a little blurry, but transmission code. 6, C4 automatic. Oh, so I guess this is getting into the information up top, the warranty number. Does that make sense? Yeah. Model year 6, yeah, 1966. 6. That's an R. San Jose. Built in California and stayed in California. Los Angeles. Just an R. 07. Hardtop. Yep, it's not the fastback. It's the hardtop. I kind of like that. It's unique. Engine code. This matters. A. 289 Ford. Not a K code. I know the hypos are really highly valued. Then what's next? The unit number. Guess it doesn't really matter. 219617. They all started at 100,001. Not exactly a unique car. Actually, that was another thing that I wanted to talk about. There's this like history and the production. There's all kinds of stuff, all kinds of interesting information about pony cars on here. Production figures. So you can see how many of each style were produced. It doesn't go down to color. I kind of would want to know how many exactly in my color were built, but yeah, you can definitely tell. Yeah, 65 GT350R. I'd like to have one of those. 07 65A. Yeah, 422,000 of them were produced. That's not exactly a rare car. Actually, scrolling down, I'm pretty sure it was the most produced Mustang. Nice. So you were talking to the proud owner of the least exclusive classic Mustang that was in existence. Oh well. Oh, GT350 convertible, 66. There were 6 of them made. Look at some of these numbers. All right, guys, well, thanks. Next time we're going to be doing one last attempt to see if that engine frees up before we just pull it. We'll be looking to see if the engine is numbers matching, and we're going to start to turn our detached garage into our home for the next few years. Thanks so much for watching, as always, guys. We'll see you next time.